How to buy Ronaldinho coin token. See, this token came under the symbol of star 10. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this. Okay, as you can see, this is a famous player called Ronaldinho. He is just launched his token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 2 hours ago and increased by 123,000% in the last 24 hours. So this token trending #1 in the Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, this is simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your WEEX wallet for that. Open your wallet for that. As you can see, click on wallet. Now select the BNB chain from here and click on this plus icon and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token to just add it called star10. So after you find what you need to do, click on it and click on swap here. Switch from here, from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and make sure, of course, that you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. As you can see, after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy star10 token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.